In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Gmail with Zapier. By the end, you'll have a clear, repeatable process for connecting Gmail to another app so emails can be sent or drafted automatically based on an event you care about. First, open Zapier and head to the home dashboard. Make sure you're signed into the correct workspace and that you have access to the Gmail account you plan to use. It's a good idea to have a test email address on hand so you don't message real customers while you're setting things up. From the home screen, click Create, then choose Zaps. This opens the Zap editor where everything happens. Give your Zap a clear name so you can find it later. A descriptive name like Send Gmail when form is submitted will save you time as your library grows. Every Zap begins with a trigger, which is the event that starts your workflow. In the Trigger section, search for and select the app that should kick things off. This could be your form tool, your CRM, a spreadsheet, or any app supported by Zapier. Choose the specific trigger event, such as New Entry, New Row, or New Contact. Then connect your account for that app. Follow the prompts to authenticate and allow access. After that, test the trigger to pull in a recent example. This sample data is important because you'll use it to fill out your Gmail message later. If nothing appears, create a quick test record in the Trigger app and try again. Next, add your action. Search for Gmail and select it as the Action app. Choose what you want Gmail to do. Common choices are Send Email, Create Draft, or Add Label to Email. Connect your Gmail account and grant the required permissions. Zapier uses secure authentication, so you don't have to paste passwords. Once connected, configure the action. Set the To field, and if needed, include CC or BCC. Add a clear subject, then compose the body. Use the fields from your trigger on the right side to insert dynamic data, like a name, email address, or message content. This is how your email becomes personalized for each run. If you like, you can set From Name, choose whether to send as plain text or HTML, and attach files or links produced by the trigger. When everything looks good, run a test. Zapier will create a draft or send a test message, depending on the action you chose. Review it in Gmail to ensure formatting, recipients, and details are correct. If needed, make small adjustments, then publish your Zap to turn it on. That's it. Your Gmail integration is live and ready to work for you.